Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making some rose water. As you know, rose water is very good for the skin and for the hair, but it's pretty expensive. It's very cheap to make at home. So today I'm just going to show you how I make it. So I have a bunch of rose flowers here, and I'm just going to take them off the stem, and then I'm going to put them in a pot with some water and boil it. So these are the rose petals, and then I'm just going to add some bottled water, put it in a pot and boil it for 20 to 30 minutes. So as you can see, it's been on for about 10 minutes and the petals are beginning to change color and the water is changing to pinkish color. So I'm going to leave it on for another 10 minutes on low heat. So you don't want it to be too high so the water doesn't get dry. Yes, so I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes and then I'll drain the water. So it's ready now. You can see the petals have changed, completely changed color, and then the water is quite red. So it's time to sieve up the flowers and just get the water, which is what we want. So I'm going to allow it to cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes before I put it into my bottle and also my spray bottle. I'm going to be using a jug as well. So it's cooled down now and it's time to sieve it. And the rest go in my spray bottle. That's how easy it is to make rose water, and I've got enough to last me for a while. I'm going to store the one in the bottle in the fridge, and the other one, the spray bottle, I'm going to use it on my hair and also as a toner. It really works well on the hair and on the face. In my next video I'm going to show you how I apply it. Thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I have a number of videos on how to look after your hair, especially if you're recovering from alopecia like I am. So this is one of the things that will really work well with your hair. So make sure that you check out all the other videos I have about hair products that you can make at home and things you can use to keep your hair moisturized. And also please press the bell so that you know when I upload my videos. Thank you and bye.